Today we'll be making a tie-dye shirt. First, we need the following: a white t-shirt, some empty bottles, a basin, a scissor, hanger, some dye colors, and some rubber bands. Let's begin. First, we need to wet the shirt. Now, we're gonna make the pattern of the shirt. We're gonna twist the shirt to make the pattern. And now we're gonna tie it up with rubber bands. And something like this. And now we're gonna prepare our dyes. I have 4 colors: green, purple, orange, red. And now we're gonna carefully put some dyes into our empty bottle. Now we're ready. Let's color it. That's it. Let's see how it looks. Wow, this is amazing. Let's wait for it to dry.
A few moments later.
It's dry now. I also made a new design. Let's try it on. Wow, this looks amazing. Let's try the other one. Wow, this also looks cool. Okay, bye-bye now. I hope you like it.